Have you ever held a crisp banknote and wondered about its journey from a mere concept to the cash in your hand? The process of creating money is a fascinating blend of art, science, and stringent security measures. Let's delve into the meticulous steps involved in producing the currency we use daily. 1. Designing the currency, where art meets security. The journey of a banknote begins with its design. Expert artists and engravers collaborate to create intricate patterns, portraits, and symbols that not only represent a nation's heritage, but also incorporate advanced security features. These designs are meticulously crafted to prevent counterfeiting and ensure the note's authenticity. 2. Engraving, crafting the master plates. Once the design is finalized, skilled engravers transfer the artwork onto steel plates through a process called intaglio engraving. This technique involves etching fine lines and grooves into the plates, creating raised surfaces that will impart texture to the printed notes. The tactile feel of these raised prints is a key security feature, making it challenging for counterfeiters to replicate. 3. Printing, bringing designs to life. The actual printing of banknotes involves multiple stages. Offset printing applies the background colors and images to the paper. Intaglio printing uses the engraved plates to add detailed images and portraits, resulting in the distinctive raised texture. Letterpress printing imprints serial numbers and other alphanumeric details onto the note. Each stage requires precision and is subject to rigorous quality control to ensure consistency and clarity. 4. Incorporating security features, safeguarding against counterfeiting. Modern banknotes are embedded with a variety of security features to deter counterfeiting. Watermarks, subtle yet intricate designs that become visible when the note is held up to light. These are integrated directly into the banknote paper during production, making them extremely difficult to replicate with standard printing methods. Security threads, thin metallic or plastic strips embedded within the paper. Depending on the currency, these threads may appear as a continuous solid line, contain microtext, or display different effects when viewed under UV light. Color-shifting inks, special inks that change color when viewed from different angles, adding an extra layer of verification. This feature is commonly used in denomination numbers and seals on higher value banknotes. Microprinting, tiny, highly detailed text that appears crisp and clear under magnification, but becomes blurred or unreadable when counterfeited. These inscriptions are often placed in discrete areas of the note, such as borders or within designs. These features are carefully tested and reviewed to stay ahead of counterfeiting technologies. 5. Quality control, ensuring perfection. Before banknotes enter circulation, they undergo stringent quality control measures. Each note is inspected for defects, color variations, and alignment issues. Advanced machinery and manual checks ensure that only flawless notes proceed to the next stage. Defective notes are destroyed to maintain the integrity of the currency supply. 6. Distribution, from the mint to your wallet. After passing quality checks, the banknotes are packaged and transported to financial institutions. Central banks manage the distribution, ensuring that currency is available to meet public demand. From there, the notes make their way into ATMs, bank tellers, and eventually into your hands. The creation of money is far more complex than simply printing paper. It involves a meticulous blend of artistic design, cutting-edge technology, and rigorous security measures to produce banknotes that are both functional and resistant to counterfeiting. Every note you hold has gone through layers of intricate craftsmanship, security checks, and precision engineering before reaching your hands. Understanding how money is made gives us a greater appreciation for its value and the systems that protect it. So next time you use cash, take a moment to notice the fine details, security features, and hidden designs. What do you think about the money printing process? Did you learn something new? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights.